On Facebook, if you want to set AI-generated photo as your Facebook profile picture, you can do that. Facebook will do that image generation process for you. Anyway, in this video, we'll be talking about how to set AI-generated photo as your Facebook profile picture. For this, open the Facebook app. After that, above, you can see 3 dots. Click on these 3 dots. When you're clicking on that, here, you can see the profile picture. Click on this profile picture. When you're clicking on that, here, you can. Your profile picture, just click on this profile picture, and here you can see, Create AI Image. Click on, Create AI Image. When you're clicking on that, you'll reach a page like this. From this, you can select whichever option you want if you want any ideas. But if you have your own idea here, you can describe that picture. Just type anything. For example, I'm typing something like this. After typing that, here you can see the send button. Click on the send button. When you're clicking that, if you're using this for the first time, you'll reach another page. On that page, you need to click on Allow. After that, you'll reach a page like this. After that, if you're using this for the first time, you'll reach a page, and you need to click on it in that page. And after that, you'll be asked to take one selfie photo. Just take one selfie photo of yourself, and again you'll be asked to select 3 photos. If you want, you can select 3 more photos. That will increase precision. If you don't, you can skip that also. Anyway, after that, you'll reach this page. I'm directly reaching this page because I've done this before. Anyway, from this, you can select whichever photo you want. Anyway, for example, I'm selecting this photo. After that, click on the Save button. When you're clicking on that, your AI-generated profile photo will be set. So, this way, you can easily set AI-generated profile picture on Facebook. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.